7 days till
Card Party! Back with another ultra rare impression. Lexi is opening Brilliant Stars. She's having some trouble with the pack. She's been in retirement too long. If you've been watching our channel, you might know the game. Open a pack and pull an ultra rare or better. If not, then you have to do an impression of one of the cards you pull. Can Lexi pull an ultra rare? Or better? Oh, she got a Zekrom. Double banger? Nope, Mewtwo. Zekrom, come find us at Card Party and do an ultra rare impression with us.